Hello, my name is Jason, and welcome to another free English video lesson brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. Hello, my name is Jason, and welcome to another Ask Teacher Jason video. Do you know the difference between during and while when you're talking about activities that are happening at the same time as other activities, or activities that have happened in a certain period in the past? Well, today, this is what I'm going to talk about. So, what is the difference? When do you use during, and when should you use while? First, let's talk about during. During is a preposition, and it is used before an activity to indicate that an action is happening at the same time. During is followed by a noun. So, for example, during dinner, we watched TV. During dinner, dinner is a noun. So during dinner, we watched TV. This action is happening at the same time as this action. I played golf during my vacation. During my vacation. There's your noun. During vacation. I played golf during my vacation. That activity happened at the same time as the vacation. So what about while? While. While is a conjunction, and it is used to talk about a period of time in which another activity happened. While is followed by a clause. So while plus a subject and a verb, or while plus a verb and a subject. For example, I went to the concert while my brother stayed home. My brother, subject, stayed home. Verb, I went to the concert while my brother stayed home. Or, we took notes while the teacher was speaking. While, subject, verb. We took notes while the teacher was speaking. That's it. Not too difficult. So this is how you use during and how you use while. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video informative or helpful, please leave a comment and remember to like and subscribe to see more English videos from MainStreetEnglish.com. Thank you, and see you again.